Hi, I'm Adaline from Bonney Lake, Franklin, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the October Gnome of the Month celebrating Halloween. The first step is to glue the corners of our bag into the center so that it will stand upright and hold our gnome. Next, to make our hat, we are going to add a line of glue down one of the short, straight sides and roll it into a cone. Next, we're going to make the brim of the hat. Cut out your two felt circles outlined and then lay them one on top of each other and use the included needle and thread to connect them using a blanket stitch. For the blanket stitch, thread your needle and tie one end with a knot. Then go in between the two pieces of felt, about ½ an inch down from the edge. Pull through your string until you hit the knot. Then go over the top and from the back of both pieces, go through the same spot where the first piece of thread went in. Straighten it out. Loop your needle under that piece of thread. Then, for the rest of the stitches, go from the back, ½ an inch down, pull through, loop the needle through the string, and pull to create that signature edge of the blanket stitch. Once you've finished stitching your brim, we are going to glue the cone of our witch's hat onto it with just a circle of glue on the edge of the cone. Now, to make her gown, we are going to take our rectangle of felt, glue two of the corners together at the top, then stretch out the edges so that it flares out. Next, to attach the beard, we're going to go opposite of the seam of our hat, and on the underside of the brim, about 1 inch in, we're going to put a line of glue and attach the beard fur facing down. Lastly, to attach the nose, peel back a little bit of the fur right under the brim, add a dot of hot glue, and stick on your witch's big green nose. Now we have our completed October Gnome of the Month. If you are interested, you can also check out our tutorial for her little spider companion and how to make it. If you are interested in past gnome kits, they are available to purchase in the store, and you can watch tutorials on our YouTube channel. Happy crafting and happy Halloween!